Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a reliable baseline. Pick DPI and in-game sensitivity and do not change them frequently. Once set, choose a clear crosshair and a consistent field of view so your brain learns the same visuals. Begin immediately with a short warm-up, 5 to 10 minutes of slow tracking and gentle flicks to wake your aim. This first practice ingrains feel and reduces lazy corrections. Make sure to note how each movement feels so you can refine the next set of exercises. Once warmed up, structure your session into focused blocks, 3 sets of 5 minutes alternating tracking and flick drills. You train tracking to reduce lazy slow corrections and flicking to improve deliberate snaps. Progressively increase speed, shrink target size, or add off-angle targets so your nervous system adapts. Record accuracy and time-to-target metrics to measure improvement. Between blocks, rest briefly to avoid fatigue. This pacing prevents sloppy repetition and builds reliable muscle memory, rather than you finalize by applying trained habits in live play, using slightly conservative settings so consistency carries over. Once done, keep a maintenance routine of 15 to 30 minutes daily to lock gains and prevent backsliding. If you hit a regression, the key troubleshooting step is to reset sensitivity to your baseline, return to the basic slow drills, and rebuild tempo rather than chasing raw speed. Make sure to track changes so you know whether adjustments or more focused basics are required.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.